What is going on, guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be going over a new module for the coding directory. Now this module has been on here for a while, but if you didn't learn about it today, I will show you guys that. But if you don't know what the coding directory is, it's basically a huge database I created of like everything you need to be successful as a CS major. That goes from like learning how to code. I share my story. I go over everything you need to learn step by step, how to get internships, how to get certifications, how to track your applications, some cool programs, how to ace interviews, life beyond CS. This is another cool module we'll cover in the future, but today we're going to be looking at the certifications. Now, certifications look really nice on your resume and LinkedIn, but here's the transparent information, okay? Now, certifications alone will not help you get a job or an internship at all. What these certifications will help you do is to learn more skills, right? And that certification kind of validates those skills. So let's say, for example, you are trying to learn Python or JavaScript, something like that. If you were to go into one of these options and learn that, get a certification, then imagine how much more impactful that would be than to just put on your resume that you know Java or know Python, right? If you spent time, if you spent hours on these platforms literally learning how to do something and you got like some sort of proof to show that, that would be more impactful than just putting that you know Python on your resume, right? So I always recommend having a section on your resume for certifications, and also LinkedIn has a section for certifications as well, so you can put it on there. But as for which ones I recommend, is there's a bunch of ones out there, a bunch of certifications out there, and really I don't recommend doing those because a lot of those are scams. A lot of those I don't recommend doing. Here are the ones that I recommend doing, okay? First, we have hackerin. So you guys, like if you've been applying for interviews or if you've been applying for, internships or jobs, you know what hackerin is, right? Now, hackerin also gives out certifications based on like if you want to certify a skill. And this certification isn't just some Mickey Mouse certification that you can get online, right? It's actually you have to do it, and they validate that test. I think it takes like 24 hours or 48 hours, and then you'll get the certification. But it's completely proctored, and also it's completely legit, right? And to put the cherry on top, it's completely free. So all of these are free actually, so you don't need to worry about if you don't have money or whatever. But yeah, recommend doing that. And then also I highly recommend you also to look at solo learn. This one is really nice. I used to use it before I went on to Code Academy. Code Academy does also give certifications, but that one you have to pay, so I didn't put it on here. But that's also another way to learn. But this platform is completely free. They keep upgrading it every single day, and it's very nice. So definitely recommend checking out Solo Learn, and I also have videos on how to do the Java stuff. So you can check that on the channel and go along with it. And if you get stuck, you can look at my video to complete that certification and put on there. Forage is amazing. I already created like a video on forage a long time ago, I think. You can probably search it on the channel, but it gives you like mini internship experiences. So recommend doing forage if you haven't already checked that out. And then also Coursera is legit as well. People can actually get degrees on Coursera, which is insane. But Coursera has this thing called the Google Project Management course. Now, if you're gonna do any course on Coursera, I recommend doing that one. Um, it's insane because you will learn so many things. Like I know this is like you have to learn coding, you have to learn like projects, like how to make projects. But if you can understand project management, you'll be like 10 levels above everyone because right now you probably know how to print hello world. You probably know how to um, write a for loop, write an if statement, basic stuff, right? But once you get into the industry, eventually you'll want to move up to the next level. And if you're watching this and you're already a software engineer, like I'm honored that you're watching this right now, but again, like if you do this Google project management course, I promise you that will bump you up because first of all, you can put it on your resume. Second of all, you can put it on your LinkedIn. Third of all, it's certified by Google. So if you can do all three of that and then tell your manager or your senior that you are taking initiative to learn more, they will appreciate that. They'll keep that in mind for your next promotion. And let's say even at an internship, you do this. So like while doing the internship, you show your boss or your employer, they'll get insanely impressed by that. So highly recommend doing these. Stack up on these. If you can do one from each, that'll just make your LinkedIn look very colorful like mine does. But yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching this. If you're enjoying this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And again, the link for this is going to be first thing in the description. It'll bring you to my newsletter. Let me show you guys. Yeah, it'll probably bring you to something like this. You can hit let me read it first right here, and then it'll bring you to like featured posts. You can click on whatever one, like the latest one also works, and then you just scroll down. You look at the coding directory, and it should open up this, and then you'll have everything here. So that's how you get that, and that's how you get to certifications as well. From this page, you scroll down, you go to certifications, and it should bring you here. So there you go. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.